Good morning. Mid-morning update. Apple Computer. 3-minute chart. The high was 456.23 and the low is 4.4267. So basically in our market maker platform, you can see that from where the short is transacted up here at reversals, that is worth $12.63, which is worth a whole lot of money because it's right here with that diamond reversal. Here was that opening bell. Diamond ascending, here we go. Each one of these lines are 97 cents per teeny line. And here's how accurate it is. Let's get the box out of the way. Here is that teeny support. Each one of those lines, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 teeny breakout on that opening morning bell print in Apple Computer. Knowing when to exit is always going to be the key. None of them ever do. We work with high frequency algorithmic trading software that gives us the directional movements. And we can see how the diamonds were descending in value and that the reversal came all the way back down to this mini teeny reversal right here. We hit 442.67. In our application here, here's your bid and ask. That's the public bid and ask spread. And we're $12.25 off of the intraday high short. We are currently have a total intraday range of 13.56, $13.56. Off of the low where we go long right now, we can see in our market maker platform does all the work for us. We're only $1.10, $13, $14, and that's off of the low. As we clearly show the bottom, right now we're only 41 cents off of the last low. It tells you right here in our system. And this is a mathematical system. The intraday range is low, so the price is going to be very weak. And when it stays at zero, it'll break those diamonds down there, and it's a complete reversal right off of that opening bell high. Bam! And we got below that diamond. We were in, each line is 97 cents per line. And that was a teeny resistance because the body's closed below it. And then the verification was this big reversal bar, which meant that this half bar here at price resistance had the reversal. And how do I get paid profits? You're going to have the 1, the 2 teeny bounces times 97 cents before you make lower lows. And that will be verified with the half bar reversal and breaking below other half bars here within that 2 teeny mathematical script range. Once the diamonds are lower, you look for a 1 teeny and another 2 teeny reversal times 97 cents as we're doing right now. You will have the 1, the 2, the 3 teenies times 97 pennies. This is where when you put in intraday morning lows, it's right now mid-morning update through the whole trend. And you can see how you're going to make lower lows. This trade is live right now. It truly is. With atoms on zero, you continue to break down 97 cents per line to the penny. And that is how weak it is. That keeps me in the short. This ratio has been peaking all the way up to minus 5.7 in our system. That equals $8.44 reversal as of this very moment at 8:53 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Date, weekly Friday options expiration. Therefore, Apple has made the low of 441.69, and we're 85 cents off of that. It takes the emotion out of it. And this IR is still very weak at 4. So every time you get the volatility bounces, you want to know why they make the lower lows and how to let the winners run, and your prosperity level increases, your profits. So when you're in our trading division, this is what you're going to get. And it's not like on the current applications that you use. And you know exactly what I'm talking about. This is a direct access high frequency algorithmic program relative to price, and they're decided upon teenies. 1/8, they're done in fractions equal dollars, just like they do here. When you put in a bottom, you want to know if this bottom's going to break the lower low. It's simple. If this stays below 10 and this is going toward 57 and it's weak and you close below the half diamond right here, right now he's trying another bottom, but you're going to get that volatility before you make the next lower lows. That's what they are. They're mathematically scripted. 1 teeny up, 2 teeny up, 3 teeny ups. Then the trader, retail day trader, whoever's left of him anyway, is they start freaking out. Oh my God, it's going to go up to the highs. No, it's not. They make lower lows. How do I let that winner run? How do I capitalize more money? How do I understand how weak it is at the price and it doesn't lag? It's not standard technical analysis. No, it's mathematical ratios at equal price. When that's going toward 57, and you're close to going back to zero here, 0 and 5 there, and it's putting in what we call a teeny bottom. But look at it's starting another teeny down again, and it's verified when that goes to 0, and this goes above 57. That's when you break the lower price line. This is a mid-morning update, and we're using today's date as a major training film of what you're going to be able to do using our application. What you need to do now is the following. You need to come in here, watch us do the live trades. Then you watch us how we get the entry and the exit, and how you can let the winners go in this direction. You can make markets going popping right up. That's called volatility. It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 teenies up times 97 pennies. But then bam, that was the opening bell. That you can make that kind of money on the opening bell and then get short. And then it falls in price and you're making all that money. You will have 97 cents per line, and it calculates it, and then the diamonds are closing lower. And see, you're breaking the lows right now. We're doing this live. We're at 0. Look at, we broke that 57. We're at 58. Now, we're walking together through this. As we break to 59, you can see there is no price lag. This makes all the decisions for you, and exactly what each teeny value is per line to the penny, and how you will bounce in teeny scripts and high frequency. What is high frequency? It's a machine that does the buys and sells within milliseconds to the buy side and to the sell side. So the machine buys the uptick and sells the downtick. Now, we do know one thing, that Apple has been extremely weak. And as I've always said, if we can get down to the $425 range, and I said that even a few months ago, I was very clear about it. But you have trading ranges intraday. And so when you're making $15 short right here, that's off of that high reversal. Look at that. And we keep breaking lower in price. Right now, the time is 8:57. You can see clearly that we're at 0. This is at 63 now. It broke above that, and this is how you stay in the winning trade. This is how you stay in your winning trade. And when that diamond is, and resistance is below that diamond, and the diamond value is the robot calculation value to keep you in the trade. Because you know as well as I know, if you were working with the kind of stuff you work with, hey, that doesn't tell you how to stay in the trade. And standard technical analysis has been manipulated in price. It lags all these moves. There it is right now to 0.64, 8:58 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 1/25/2013, live in the market here right now, understanding how to short a stock. And when the stocks go down in value, they'll pop up, but you need to know how to let the winner trade of this side of the market that pays, and it's paying 15, well, now we're bouncing. So we have another attempted bounce and we're at 5 and we're back toward, now we're at 59. So we peaked at 64 and we're getting a little bit of an uptick right there. However, when we started shorting it, the short is worth 15.20. Now it's 35 cents off of the low. But look at how weak it is. It's towards zero again. 62 is going towards 64. This does not lag price, and you will enjoy it. Take out all the emotion and all the psychological crap that goes on in buy and sell tapes that people get themselves involved in. And people that are watching this video know exactly what I'm talking about. And you have to have the accuracy of directional price movement that doesn't lag and is not manipulated. And you have to understand that the high frequency trading technology course that we have is exceptional. There is no other one out here. Go find me one. But in order to make that fair judgment, you have to do the following. You have to come here and spend the time as we're doing these entries, just like we're doing live right now. And as you go through it and witness it, and then go somewhere else and see if they can do what we do. And if they can't, and I'm telling you right now that we developed the Market Maker platform so that people could be converted to it right away. And that they could leave the older day trading mentalities and work with raw price, the uptick and downtick, and making markets, whether they're high frequency computing buy programs and sell programs or humans who buy and sell, it doesn't matter. They're all the same. But right now we know how to track the directional price movement without lagging, and it takes the emotion out. And we're at 0, and we're at 2, and 63 is about to break another morning intraday low at 9:01 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, date 1/25/2013. And there is your directional price movement. We have just reached the 440.57 with a 0 IR. Ratio goes greater values. This keeps going lower in value, and it pays a lot of money to learn how to short stocks. But how do I stay in that short? And how do I control myself? Well, you have to have the math. We'll do the work. We developed it. Now, come and get with it. You can open an account on our website. We have one available. Open account. Here is your tab. Open a new account. Here, under Services, HFT Trading Courses, click on it. Here, High Frequency Trading Seminar, register now. Ghost Exchange, click on the yellow content. Click it and watch the trailer. That is the hardware side, and we are going to be featured in a new documentary about high frequency trading technologies and how stockmarketfunding.com has developed a system to track them and their price, their mathematical price movements. So you want to be able to do that. So under Services, click on HFT Trading Courses, click on the yellow link, and here is the sign up page for you here. Now that I've said that, let's take a look. We're at a 4 IR. We made a 65. It's a 61. This is a major, major event that people should learn how to trade price volatility mathematically and accurately with the entry and the confirmations, and the math does not lie. Opinions do. Everybody can read the same standard technical indicator 10 different ways, but this is only one way, the math with price. It doesn't lie. Welcome to stockmarketfunding.com at a 0 IR, and I'm breaking ratio lows. I'm not lagging the price. How do I let my winners run? And how do I learn how to make markets on the uptick and the reversal downtick? And you will have volatility movements, but you'll have these diamonds that will let you know why it will go lower, and how you can stay in the trade for the longer duration in dollar reversal time series. Once again, it's been a pleasure. 125, 2013.